The new Moulay Abdullah Stadium, Morocco's dream. In 2023, workers started building the new Moulay Abdullah Stadium in Rabat, Morocco. By 2025, it was finished, a modern, exciting place that shows Morocco's big dreams for sports and the world. This stadium is not just for football. It is a symbol of progress, technology, and pride. Let's explore why this stadium is so special. A new beginning. The old Moulay Abdullah Stadium was built in 1983. It was important for football, but it was old and needed change. Instead of fixing it, Morocco decided to build a new, modern stadium. They started in 2023 and finished in just 2 years. The new stadium is one of the best in Africa, with over 68,500 seats. It can host big international games like the Africa Cup of Nations and even the World Cup in 2030. A beautiful design. The stadium looks amazing. Its outside has a wave-like shape that feels alive, like the energy of sports. The roof is light but strong, protecting against rain or heat. The design mixes Moroccan style with ideas from famous stadiums like Wembley in London. It feels both modern and proudly Moroccan. Smart technology. The stadium uses new technology to make it special. It has an LED system that does more than light the field. It helps control the temperature and keeps the grass perfect, even after many games. There are also 800 cameras with face recognition to keep everyone safe. Fans enjoy free Wi-Fi, and digital gates make entering the stadium fast and easy. More than football. The stadium is part of a big sports complex. It includes an indoor arena for basketball, volleyball, and concerts, an Olympic swimming pool, and an athletic stadium with 21,000 seats. These places make the complex a center for sports, music, and events all year. There are also VIP rooms, media centers, and parking for thousands of cars. This means the stadium can host business meetings, shows, and more. Helping Morocco grow. The stadium creates jobs for many people. During construction, thousands worked on it. Now it supports jobs in security, event planning, and hospitality. Local shops, hotels, and restaurants are busier because of visitors. The stadium also brings tourists to Rabat, who come for games and stay to see the city's history and culture. For young people, the stadium is inspiring. They can dream of playing on the same field as famous athletes. Schools and sports academies will use the complex to train new stars. A stage for the world. In 2025, the stadium will host the opening and final matches of the Africa Cup of Nations. This will bring fans from all over Africa to celebrate football. In 2030, Morocco, Spain, and Portugal will host the FIFA World Cup, and the stadium might be a place for big games, like the semifinals or final. FIFA's president called it one of the most modern stadiums in the world. This makes Morocco proud and shows it can handle big events.